बेसिकली हम चाहते हैं कि आप हेडलाइन करो कि हम दोनों को और काम दे दो और वी आर रेडी टू बी लुक्ड इनटू एट डिफरेंट जॉनर्स एंड फिल्म्स.
I can't. I can only do Bhangra.
शर्ट में होगा.
वी वर लाइक माइक यहाँ रखते हैं, माइक से बोलते हैं.
ऐसा बोलो क्या? इधर रखो. हाँ, okay.
Hi, I'm Mona Singh.
Hi, I'm Sharvari
Hi, I'm Abhay.
and you're watching us on Peeping Moon.
Hi guys, welcome to Peeping Moon. Today we have with us the cast of Munja, Mona Singh, Sharvari and Abhay Verma.
Hello.
Hi guys.
Hello.
Munja seems to be super interesting. It is something out of the box. So when you all were approached for the film, were you all skeptical about it being a typical other horror film that's coming up?
No, never. I think that from the get-go, we knew that this is going to be something completely different. And also, I remember when I was told this inception of this concept that had happened, and they had given us a very small brief because, they couldn't reveal everything about it. It blew my mind. It blew my mind. It was also beyond an imagination, because when they said that we will have a CGI actor, you said okay because you wanted to look like cool in the meeting, but I didn't know what they were trying to say exactly. So then, they had to open up their laptops and show us, okay, this is what is going to look like, this is the reference, this is the vibe. So if you only can't imagine, even after hearing the story, you already knew that you're in for a ride. You knew you were always going to blow people's minds.
See, for me, if it was an out-and-out horror film, I don't think I would have been a part of it. It's a horror comedy and a genre that I've never explored, and something like this which has never been attempted in India, and also produced by Maddock. I think it was the best combination for me to say yes.
Same goes for me actually. The
Yeah.
opportunity actually said for itself, and there are very high chances of stuff like that going to the other direction. But since the response of the trailer has been amazing, and we're all like drooling over it, so we're excited actually for the things to come on 7th, and I'm sure people will enjoy it because I'm 100% sure, and I can vouch on that any given day that something of sorts people have never seen here in India.
Do you all believe in superstitions?
Yes.
Somewhat.
Any
I
particular?
am pretty superstitious. Huh?
Any particular superstition that you follow?
Like when you're leaving from home and if somebody sneezes, I sit back, wait
Really?
for 2-3 minutes and then go.
I didn't know that. I didn't know that. I tie a kala dhaga. My mom also she truly believes in it. I think I believe more in my mom's belief than in everything else.
Yeah.
So I think that's why.
I actually somehow fight the superstition. ऐसे मतलब गाड़ी का बोलते हैं कि अच्छा गाड़ी चलाओ ना तो रिवर्स पहले नहीं लेना चाहिए, पहले आगे वाला गियर डालो फिर उसके बाद
Really?
मैंने कहा मैं तो रिवर्स ही डालूंगा अब तो अब तो रिवर्स से ही शुरू करूंगा मैं. That's the superstitious belief that I have up to this extent.
Okay. Sharvari, you are a complete like a girl next door vibe. Like when you talk, when you present yourself, you give that, oh, we know this person. She's a friend. But Taras presented you in a completely different way.
Yeah.
It is
Oh.
the Sharvari we know versus the Sharvari shown in Taras is like completely different.
Oh.
It
Yeah.
blew apart. It blew
Thank you.
off
Thank
actually.
Yes.
So while you were performing that song, what were the thoughts going on in your mind? How did you pull those moves off?
Honestly, in my head, I just wanted to kill it. That was the only thing that was in my mind. And the thing is कि ऐसी opportunity doesn't come easy, doesn't come fast. I have never gotten a solo song before this. No one has believed in me to give me this kind of a song mounted on this level. The way they created the set, the costumes, hair, makeup, the kind of money that went into this. You need a really strong producer to believe in this new talent to pull it off, because see, he had also never seen me dance like this. But he thought that I could do it. And if someone like Dinu has believed in me, I want to deliver more than his belief. And it's not just in the dance. I truly believe that in whatever I do in this industry, and that's the fun, right? Like I wasn't given this kind of a role, but or a song rather. When I got it, I kind of proved to people that okay, this is one shade that I have, and I have so many other shades in my pocket which I would love to just put out there, just waiting for the right opportunity and waiting for the right scripts and songs to come my way. Hopefully, this is just the start.
Absolutely, this is the start.
This is.
Yeah, come on. The way is only up for you.
Mona ma'am, would you ever like to do a song like Taras?
Well, it's not in my genes only. I can't. I can only do Bhangra.
शर्ट में होगा तो शर्ट में होगा जींस से नहीं होगा
I did that in Jhalak Dikhla Ja.
Oh
season
yes,
one.
yes.
Yeah.
And I won the show. But now,
Oh,
I'm-
अब
झलक
सबकी
एक
दुकान
झलक
बंद हो जाएगी, मोना मैम तरस करने लग गए
नहीं,
तो।
नहीं, नहीं।
एक झलक यहाँ भी बनती है
now I can
एक
only
झलक
dance at house parties and birthday parties.
Ma'am, you've come to the horror or the supernatural genre after a very long time.
Yes.
You did a television show.
Yes.
So, ma'am, what's the difference in presentation between a TV show versus a Bollywood film?
Can't compare at all. You see, a TV show is 1 hour daily, and Bollywood is just 2 hours movie shot for 6 months, 3 months, and spend a lot of time on post production. So you cannot compare. Their worlds are very, very different. There's, the quality goes for a toss in TV. But when you are investing so much money, you're getting great production, actors, CGI. So it's a different ball game altogether. Yeah, and that wasn't comedy. So this is horror and comedies.
Oh.
Yeah.
Abhay, you are just starting off. It's the initial stages of your career. So while you choose your projects, are you very careful about what roles are you picking up?
Oh, not very careful, but I intend to do different things. Like from playing a transgender in Safed to a sleeper cell in Family Man, and now playing a sensible, naive person Bittu who just wants to spread love and peace all over. But उसका उल्टा ही हो जाता है उसके साथ. So that's what the intent is, to try on different things. But yeah, I mean, that's how I choose it, and that's how opportunities have come my way. But as Sharvari said, I would also like to say that we have like a lot of cards in our pocket, and we would like to just take it out one by one with the right
बेसिकली हम
mixes.
चाहते हैं कि आप हेडलाइन करो कि हम दोनों को और काम दे दो और we are ready to be looked into at different genres and films.
But Shreya, life has come a full circle with us,
That is
especially
true. That
because
is
we
true.
actually did a Pawns ad together. And
Yeah.
there we did a little of a romance thing, and
Yeah,
we
we
had a
did
little
like
chemistry.
skating and like a partner dance we did.
Yeah, and from a
And
30-seconder
30
to
second.
like a 3D film.
Yeah.
I mean, it's really
It's-
a journey.
It's
which-
really sweet to see that because, and I would say this for Abhay also because we have discussed this many times, that when you're not from the industry and you are trying to figure it out, that period is a long journey, and we've gone to auditions, like for ads, for films, for shows, for every single thing, for years. And when you, even back then, when you get an ad now, the feeling is the same of getting a movie also. Because at that time it's work.
Yeah.
Because you're not getting work at all, and suddenly you get work. For one day, you get to go on set. You get to be an actor. And I think we experienced that obviously when we did the ad. And when this happened, honestly, I was very proud and very happy because I'm actually very grateful to Dinesh Vision and to Maddock for believing in him and I.
Yeah,
Believing
100%. Belief is something which comes above everything in terms of like this field is concerned. I mean, one has to have to believe on the talent which they want to take. And in a film like such, where it's a very heavy budgeted film, honestly, and something of sorts we've never seen before, a character only being developed from scratch to zero on screen, like a computer screen. So that is something which excited both of us, and also for the fact that the opportunity of a film like such coming in. It was just more than anything. It was more than. मैं actually इसके बाद सोच रहा था मैं retire भी हो सकता हूँ, इतनी अच्छी और इतनी प्यारी फिल्म हमने बना ली है, हमने कुछ कर लिया है जिंदगी में, अब कुछ हो कोई बात नहीं.
Ma'am, while you are listening to their story, do you resonate with it?
Yes, of course I do. You see, I also did multiple auditions when I
Yeah.
wanted to start. So I'm looking at them, and yesterday when we went for the radio interviews, these two were like so excited. They're like, "Oh, this is our first radio interview." So
man.
I'm reliving all that excitement.
We were like, mic
Yeah.
यहाँ रखते हैं, mic से वो.
ऐसा बोल क्या? इधर रखो. हाँ, okay.
I'm reliving all my, all my journey again. Nostalgia, highest.
क्या बात है.
Munja has references of Munni. Did y'all ever show this footage to Malaika Arora because she has iconized Munni through the song?
Did you?
No, I don't know her personally, so
Acha, okay.
Well, I know her, but I don't know her as a friend. So I'm sure she must have seen the trailer
Yeah.
and
sure.
wondering, Munni to yahan hai.
Right.
but उन्होंने हमारे टीजर पे 4 चांद लगा दिए. Let's say that because
हाँ,
honestly,
let's say that, yeah.
we have to give ma'am the credit there. The song is iconic.
It's a
And the minute we made this creature and we got in that song, people were laughing.
Yeah, it
They were
changed.
resonating.
Yeah.
She just brought it together for our teaser, and we are actually really grateful.
100%.
Sharvari, your previous theatrical release was in 2021. That is a very long time.
Yes.
The wait must have been very difficult, but now you are here. You're about to explore. The Munja is coming. Veda is up. You are starting a big spy thriller also very soon. So, did you manifest this, or how difficult was that wait to just come on screen to just show who you are and present yourself as the next big thing?
Honestly, I feel that wow. Now that you said so many things, I'm just
Yeah,
suddenly like
it's sinking
no one's
in.
no one's put it in this order for me.
Told
and
you you're a
I got
veteran.
like a spine, like a chill down my spine.
Told you, you're veteran.
No, I got a chill down my spine even when you said the names of so many things. I'm very grateful first of all for it. But no, I think I didn't put in so much thought around all of these things. Yes, I manifested big films. I manifested to be a part of big things. To be like being a part of a horror universe coming from Maddock and also a spy universe from YRF are very two big IPs in Bollywood right now. Generally, you see big, massive Bollywood superstars shouldering these projects, and for producers and directors to believe in me just reinforces the fact that I'm doing something right. It makes me feel like that's that validation you get, and you're like, because I'm not from this industry, there is always a question of, is this the right thing I'm doing, or is this not? And you don't have anybody to answer that for you who's also experienced from the industry. So I guess getting these movies for me is a validation. It brings more confidence to me, and like you said, Veda is very, very special also, and we will speak about that film when we start promotions of that. But I am so excited to show the world all these different sides of me, and I've waited for a long time. But chalo, I guess, I said this yesterday also, that good things come to those who wait. In my case, horror comedy comes to those who wait.
Okay. Thank you so much, guys. It was lovely
you.
chatting with
Thank
you all.
you.
Munja seems super excited. We all are waiting for it.
Thank you so much.
Thank
so
you.
much.